The minute I saw his bank statements, I knew this guy was cooked. So I get this phone call last week, and at first, I gotta tell you, I was super excited. I was talking to the business owner. He had a real business, real revenue. He's been around for years, and also he was really well known in the community. Then I decided to do some due diligence. So I asked him to send me over some documentation. The minute I saw his bank statements, I knew this guy was cooked. He was stacked 3 MCAs deep, negative days going in and out every single month, the whole thing. So I picked up the phone and I asked him one question: how did you get here? And it's a story I've heard multiple times. You see, he got involved in one of these 0% funding programs. You guys know the ones I'm talking to, the ones every TikTok influencer, Instagram model is pushing you. Trust me, it sounds amazing at first. I'll get you $50,000, 0% interest for 12 months, go and fund your company. So this guy did that. And he just didn't do it once. He did it multiple times, and he racked up multiple credit cards. His utilization was through the roof. He literally cooked his business just because some TikTok influencer thought they knew what they were doing. Here's the thing those guys don't tell you. That 0%, it's a teaser rate, and it only lasts for 12 months. After 12 months, it shoots up north of 30%. And most business owners, including this guy, never actually pay off the cards. They just keep rolling it, thinking they're being slick and somehow they beat the system. Now, 12 months later, his interest rates are north of 30%. His personal credit is maxed out. Utilization is through the roof. His credit scores drop below a 680, which is the score that most banks require for long-term financing. He's wrecked his credit. So what's left? The only way he can get his hands on money is with the only product out there that doesn't care about personal credit scores: merchant cash advances. He didn't take one, he took 2, 3, possibly even 4 he was thinking about when I was on the phone with him. This is the typical chicken and egg scenario that kills businesses. He can't get a business loan because his personal credit's bad. His personal credit's bad because he stacked up too many personal credit cards. He stacked personal credit cards because somebody sold him a shortcut rather than setting up his business properly in the first place. Let me tell you something. There is no shortcut. From day one, set your damn business up properly. Get an EIN number, get business bank accounts, create your business credit profile, get business credit cards. Separate your personal credit from your business credit, because the person that did that 2 years ago is now getting a term loan, and this guy is sitting around with a 4th position MCA paying 8 to 10 times more money for the capital. If you want real business advice, not from an influencer, follow me.